Let's explore the Inspiration Hub, your personal collection of quotes, insights, heroes, notes, and ideas. This isn't just another note-taking feature. Inspiration Hub is where you capture the sparks, the quotes that resonate, the insights that shift your perspective, the ideas that could become something bigger. Everything in one organized place. Click on Inspiration in the main navigation. You'll see 5 sections here: Quotes, Insights, Heroes, Notes, and Ideas Board. Let's go through each one. First, Quotes. This is your collection of inspiring quotes. But here's the cool part. You don't just manually add them. On your main dashboard, you see a daily inspirational quote. You can refresh it to see different quotes and browse different categories. When you find one that resonates, click the heart icon. That quote automatically saves to your Inspiration Hub. Let me show you. I'll also add a custom quote manually. Click New Quote. I'll enter the quote text. The obstacle is the way. Author, Marcus Aurelius. Category, Stoicism. Personal relevance. I'll rate this 8 out of 10. It really resonates with how I approach challenges. Add some tags. Obstacles, growth, philosophy. Click Save Quote. Now this quote is in my collection, ready to inspire me whenever I need it. Next, Insights. These are your personal observations and reflections, deeper than notes, more general than specific ideas. You can add insights through Quick Capture by selecting Type Insight, or directly here. Click New Insight. I'll write, people don't resist change. They resist being changed. When proposing new ideas at work, focus on how the person benefits, not just why the idea is good. Author, myself. Source, team meeting reflection. Category, work. Add a tag, leadership. Click Save Insight. These insights become your personal wisdom database, lessons you've learned that you want to remember and apply. Third section, heroes. These are people who inspire you. Friends, mentors, public figures, historical personalities. Click New Hero. Name, Marie Curie. Description, first woman to win a Nobel Prize, pioneering physicist and chemist. Why inspiring? Her persistence in the face of systemic barriers and dedication to scientific discovery. Category, scientist. Admired traits. I'll add perseverance, curiosity, courage. Click Save Hero. Here's why heroes matter. When you're stuck on a problem in problem solving, you can use the What Would Your Hero Do tool. You select one of your heroes, and it helps you think, how would Marie Curie approach this challenge? This gets you outside your usual thinking patterns. Fourth, notes. Quick captures and sticky notes for anything you want to remember. You can add notes through Quick Capture or click New Note here. Content. Check out the new productivity book recommended by Sarah, Atomic Habits by James Clear. Category, idea. Choose a color. I'll pick yellow. Add a tag, books. Click Save Note. Notes are for miscellaneous information, addresses, recommendations, random thoughts. They appear as sticky notes, easy to browse and organize. Finally, Ideas Board. This is your creative playground. Ideas captured through Quick Capture automatically appear here, but you can also create detailed ideas manually. Click New Idea. Title: Weekend Workshop Series for SEO Beginners. Description: Create a series of hands-on workshops teaching basic SEO concepts to small business owners in Białystok. Category: Business. Priority: Medium. Status: Draft. Tags: SEO, Teaching, Local. Click Save Idea. Your ideas board keeps all your creative sparks in one place. Some will develop into projects, others won't. And that's okay. The important thing is capturing them so they don't disappear. So that's Inspiration Hub. Quotes fuel your motivation. Insights capture your wisdom. Heroes expand your thinking. Notes preserve information, and Ideas Board collects your creative potential. Everything works together with quick capture for effortless collection, but you can also create detailed entries directly in each section. Use Inspiration Hub regularly. When you find a quote that moves you, when you have an insight worth remembering, when an idea strikes. Capture it, organize it, return to it when you need inspiration. In the next video, we'll explore more features. See you there.